we're on. So we're setting the wedge position from the start to finish. First of all, you've got to have the temperature off, highlighted there, and the speed on 0. So speed on 0, temperature off. Okay, if you just scroll across here, I've actually messed the wedge position up. As you can see there, it's out of whack. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to centralise the wedge. And that's this adjustment on the end here. Alright, so I'm going to just move the wedge across so it's parallel with those rollers. That's step 1. So I'll just swing it out, swing it back in again. Yep, that's good. Next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to adjust the height, which is done from the back here. Oh, sorry, so this one here is the height. So I'm going to screw that down until the wedge is in the centre of the rollers. As you can see, I'm adjusting that up and down. So get it on the lower side of the centre, just a whisker. Alright, then the last adjustment is the in and out one here, which is this one here. That one there. Alright, so I'm going to bring that in so it's nice and snug against the rollers. Okay, just scroll back down here. So as you can see, you can bring it in. You bring it right in, nice and tight to the pinch point. It's actually still a little bit too high because there's a gap there. So I'm just going to drop it down a bit more. So it just touches the bottom roller, and then screw it in a bit further. Okay, and the way you test this is if you grab the wedge, just give it a wiggle there. There should be no, you shouldn't be able to move it. It should be nice and snug. All right, so we swing that out, swing it back in again. That should be nice and snug. No clearance there and there. Just make sure that's okay. Alright, so nice and snug. Swing it out. Once it's snug, I turn it 2 more turns up here. 2 more turns. 1, 2. Okay, ready to start. So if you looked at there, that is nice, firm, snug. That's the correct wedge position for the machine. Okay. One other thing you might want to do. If you just swing around here, there's 3 grub screws in here. Sometimes they're a little bit too tight. I just undo those a whisker. There's 1, 2, 3 grub screws. Undo those a whisker. Makes all this all nice and free. Once you've set this, then you retighten those 3 grub screws up. Okay. All right. That's it. So if you look at that, nice and snug. Can't move it. Must be touching. Nice and snug. If you can wiggle this, it's no good. Nice and tight. So that's it. All right.